spiritual person get angry? Can a spiritual person get fearful? Can they get any negative emotions that you feel are just like really petty and they just belong to people who are non-spiritual? Hi, I am Preeti, and today in this video we are going to discuss this. And if you are not spiritual and if you see somebody who is spiritual, they are getting angry, this may have come in your mind that, oh, they meditate so much, how is it that they can get this angry? Or you are a spiritual person and somebody has put this critical remark on you when you lost it. Okay, so yes, so we are going to discuss whether this is possible or not, and under what circumstances this can be possible. Okay, so make sure that you watch this entire video to get all your answers. Okay, stay tuned. See, when you are a beginner on the spiritual path, definitely you will find a lot of improvement in your behavior. You will find in a lot of ways that your thinking has changed. You have become a more of a positive thinker. But at the same time, you just have begun your journey. It's just like 1 or 2 years. So you may find that sometimes you'll be totally losing it. Okay? And the way you react, the way you lose it, how much, to what extent you lose it, to what extent you drop yourself below your own standards, that is what will decide the next steps in your spiritual journey. This is what is the test that universe will take, because yes, universe will test you for doing anything. If you want to do something bad, universe will still test you. If you want to do something good, universe is again going to test you. So either ways, you are going to be tested. Yeah, to show how much you are committed. Universe wants to see how much strongly you are committed to self-improvement, to spiritual evolution. Sometimes, very highly evolved spiritual beings, they also have found that they do get angry, they have completely lost it. They may have sent some negative energy just out of anger or just out of frustration. So, yeah, evolved people also do that sometimes. The thing is that later on, they may realize that what they did was totally wrong. Yes, and yes, if a spiritually evolved person, they try to be shady, they try to be bad towards others. They are definitely going to increase their steps. Okay, increase their steps for personal progress, because yeah, there they are proving that they have yet not evolved. So that will again keep on building up as additional steps in their spiritual journey. At the same time, when any spiritual person, their behavior seems off. Their behavior seems as if they are not what they are. They are something different. At times, this can be because, their behavior is teaching people something. The way they are behaving, it's giving out a message. It's actually laying down a foundation for something, which is why they may be acting that way. And they know the reason why they are behaving in that way. So, they are totally out of the drama. They are just creating that drama for others. And others who are lured into this drama, they definitely have a spiritual treat coming in, because yes, the spiritual master has chosen them for that treat. And once they get sucked into that vacuum, it's definitely for sure that their spiritual evolution will take place from there. So yes, sometimes if spiritual people, they behave in a weird way, you may not be able to understand them right on. You may require some time, you may require some effort to understand why they behaved like that. Sometimes spiritual people, they don't show any extraordinary reaction. They are just like calm and serene. So you may say, oh, but those people, they are so nice and calm. Why is this spiritual person so angry, or why was that guy fearful? See, at times spiritual people, when they don't react to something, when they are not giving out, when they are not setting an example to the people who are watching them, it is that no example needs to be set at that place. So they are just behaving like plain and simple people. They're not behaving in any extraordinary manner. Okay? So in short, any spiritual person, if they come in contact with you, they are going to give you a lesson, a reaction based on your karmic baggage, based on your learnings and purpose and stuff like that. So how you react, have you taken the experience? Yeah, that will actually decide how quicker or how slower you spiritually evolve. At the same time, when the spiritual person is reacting, is giving you some kind of reaction, is giving you some kind of dramatic emotional outburst, and how you take it, in that moment, how you digest that emotional drama, whether you take it positively or negatively, can actually decide, how far you can go. Sometimes understanding such negative emotional pattern can actually just raise your level, a notch more, just because you did not take that negatively. Okay, so this is the video about whether a spiritual person can get angry or not. I don't know whether you have heard this story or not. It's about Rishi Parashar. Okay, he was actually considered to be very, very highly evolved person, very, very powerful saint, and he also got distracted towards a woman, a woman who used to row his boat. He got distracted towards her beauty, and yeah, he forgot what he wanted to do. He forgot where he was going, and he just wanted to, spend some time with her. So yes, that definitely is a deeper story. I'm not giving you the entire story here, but yes, that is definitely possible. Another one more spiritually evolved person, that is Muni Durvasa. He is like talked about very often. It's very often that you may have read about. If you have read Mahabharata, Ramayan, you may be aware that Rishi Durvasa is very famous, and the Puranas, he is very famous for giving curses. Okay, he used to get angry very easily, and he used to very easily give out very bad curses to people. Okay, so not necessary that a person has to be spiritually evolved just so that they can show some positive behavior, just so that they can show some positive kind of reaction to anything. Even spiritually evolved people, they are also showing some or the other kind of outburst. Okay, and also, in the universe, there has to be a balance in positive and negative. So when it's time that a spiritually evolved person, even if they are showing some negative reaction, means that kind of negative energy, it needs to be shown. There needs to be some kind of balance in positive and negative, which is why they are showing that outburst. Okay, so yes, so this is the video for you. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help others, share this video with as many people as you can. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.